Hi there, I'm Mark Richardson and I'm your Avery Dennison trainer. In this video we are going to show you how to dechrome. This is how I do it. Right, once we've prepped and cleaned the chrome trim with the Avery surface cleaner, I've measured the height of the trim. So what I do is I go upstairs, roll the vinyl out on the bench, measure, cut with a ruler. The reason why I do this is because if you bulk fit it, as we call it, you tend to have to run your knife along that edge, and in there is a rubber. So you could slip and you could potentially cut into the rubber. But by cutting it the exact width, when you lay it, you actually lay that edge along there. So initially, as you're laying it, you don't have to put your knife in at all, okay? So the masking tape is there just to try and prevent any dust that can come off of the window or the bodywork, and also vinyl doesn't stick to masking tape. So hopefully when I put that there and then open the door, the vinyl's going to be easier to open. So I recommend that you use an Avery glove. Just helps your hand glide as you're applying the vinyl. Okay. So I'm literally going to run the edge of the vinyl along the edge of the chrome trim, like so. Okay, so once you've done that along the top, you can then work the vinyl all the way down. Okay, so now we've done that, we need to cut some of this excess material off. And then we need to open the door very carefully. Okay, so now we're going to need to apply some heat to the vinyl to take it over the end. But what we don't want to do is we don't want to overstretch it, because we want to try and prevent the vinyl pulling back. Okay. Okay, so then we take one of our flex streams, which is a micro squeegee, and I'm going to run it along this edge just to make sure that the vinyl is tucked down, like so. And also just run it along there just to make sure that's tucked under. And then just to finish off, we're just going to cut down here, like so, and then okay, so now we can remove the masking tape. And that's your dechrome. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more of our tips and tricks videos or register for our wrapping courses, check out the website averygraphics.eu.